Hey, welcome to another iPad app review, and we'll go a little out of boundaries today and show you the Cydia app store if you want, and control panel. What is Cydia? No, you cannot get it on the App Store, Apple App Store. Cydia comes when you jailbreak your iPad. So first of all, you got to jailbreak the iPad. It's quite easy to do, and all you need is actually to download the good package. I'll actually have one video eventually showing you how to do it. It's very easy. Once you've downloaded the package, you plug in your iPad to your computer, click on the program, and it's done in a few minutes. What comes out of a jailbroken iPad is Cydia, which is basically kind of a control panel of the jailbreak. With Cydia, you have access, of course, to all sorts of in-house parameters, including access to wallpapers of all sorts, access to, of course, what is the kind of an app store for iPad, jailbroken iPads. Basically, Cydia will have, like the App Store, free apps and also paid apps. So you're working in a different environment. Now, the question, why should you jailbreak your iPad, or should I jailbreak my iPad? That is often the question that is very often asked. And basically, what is the reason why you should actually get your iPad jailbroken? Well, first of all, a jailbroken iPad has access to features that are totally unavailable in the App Store. The App Store is kind of a little prison of Apple. It doesn't let you do what you want. It does what Apple wants you to do. Cydia actually lets you do what you want. So you have an app to do almost any type of computer and computer control stuff that you want. So how does it work? Well, you've got this Cydia Home, where you've got features and also all sorts of little program details. You can control your iPad. You can actually control a computer. You can have all sorts of elevated command prompts that usually aren't available in App Store apps. And it's much more open, so when you download, for example, a program that can use file systems, well, this will let you actually do so. For example, the iFile app will actually show you the file system of your iPad and let you work a little bit like a PC if you want, and put your different view your different folders and actually modify them, which is pretty cool. So it lets you also go into themes, featured stuff, of course. If you can look on the featured here, it's really another world, and it lets you go into, for example, tools. You'll start with interface customizations, icons, browser add-ons. Lots and lots of stuff are actually done in this Cydia. Now, does it void the warranty of your iPad? Well, no. If your iPad stops working and it was jailbroken, you can reset your iPad to 0 and nobody will ever know it was jailbroken. There's no way Apple knows it was jailbroken if you actually reset and restart your iPad using the restore function of your iTunes program. Of course, you've got the add-ons, you've got all sorts of things, games, for example, all sorts of different apps. The difference between the App Store and the Cydia App Store, though, is that the Cydia App Store will sometimes have let's say, very low quality programs. So it's not like the App Store that has minimum requirement in quality before it can show up. And well, you've got changes. Changes are all sorts of changes that can be done or will be done on the Cydia stuff. You can view your installed apps here on the Cydia installed. Sources will actually show you, oops, wrong place. Sources will actually show you the different sources where everything can come from on the internet, and of course you've got a search function. So Cydia is the centerpiece of your jailbroken world. And you see, you can Cydia store, you got products, you can manage an account, you've got all sorts of apps, and also tools to develop your own apps if you want. So and there's display out that you can mirror your iPad to your Apple TV, for example. And so it's really a world apart. It's much more open, so apps will actually behave much differently and let you do much more things. Examples of that is downloading. I've downloaded some emulators for example, the Sega Genesis and also for the Super Nintendo. And it's really nice because unlike the emulators that we see appearing on the App Store where you gotta buy in-app stuff, these actually let you download from the internet the ROMs that you need to play the game, so it's pretty cool. So this is what a jailbroken iPad is all about. It's freedom to do what you want with your device. I think that freedom is necessary. And it's a good idea. You do want to do whatever you want, and actually you should be able to do what you want with an iPad or any devices. I'm not really fond of, having prisons. So this is the Cydia app, and it is jailbroken iPad only. So up to you to decide, should I or should I not? Look at other videos. I'll show you a few apps that can only be purchased or actually downloaded from the jailbroken iPad Cydia. So if you enjoy these videos, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed when new videos are online. And if you have any comments or questions on Jailbreak, you can let us know. And if you have a request, also you can let us know and we'll try to put the video online for you. So thanks for watching and hope you come back to the iPad Apps First Look channel. Bye-bye.